In front of me is Realme GT60 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. All you need to do is open Play Store and get free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer and when it's ready, hit open right away. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up, tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Following that, go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner and Edit Tiles option. Now look for your Caffeine shortcut at the very bottom, hold it, and then place it wherever you want to among the current ones to apply it. Then go back and tap on your shortcut. As you can see, infinite sleep time was successfully enabled. If you want to disable it, hit the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!